If you're wondering how to do your monthly bookkeeping without hiring a CPA, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stay on top of your finances and manage your bookkeeping in a simple, efficient way without the need for expensive CPA services. First, let's tackle the main steps. You're going to want to gather all your financial statements. This means pulling up bank statements, credit card statements, and any other records of financial transactions that you've made over the month. Organizing these documents can be a bit time-consuming upfront, but it's crucial for staying on top of your finances. Get them all in one place, either digitally or in a binder, so you can easily track what's coming in and going out. Next, you'll need to categorize your expenses. Break them down into categories like rent, utilities, office supplies, etc. This will help you see exactly where your money is going and where you can possibly save. If you're just starting out, don't worry about getting super detailed right away. Start with broad categories and narrow it down as you get more comfortable with the process. The next step is recording your transactions. This is where using software comes in handy. I've tried many of the popular bookkeeping software options, and the one I'll recommend today is linked in the description below for a special exclusive free trial just for my viewers. You can use this software to quickly enter your transactions, whether manually or by linking your bank account and credit cards to sync them automatically. Once your transactions are entered, it's time to reconcile your accounts. This means making sure the numbers in your software match your actual bank statements. The software will help you flag any discrepancies, so all you need to do is double check and fix anything that doesn't match. If you're doing this manually, it's still essential to review each transaction for accuracy. Another important part of monthly bookkeeping is generating financial reports. Your software should be able to provide you with a profit and loss statement or income statement, which will show your total income and expenses for the month. This helps you understand your financial health and how your business is performing. Don't skip this step, even if you're just doing bookkeeping for personal finances. Finally, don't forget about taxes. Setting aside money for taxes each month is one of the best ways to avoid last-minute stress come tax season. With your software, you should be able to track how much you owe and set up a separate savings account to put that money aside. Now, to wrap up, how to do your monthly bookkeeping without hiring a CPA is easier than you think. Just gather your financial statements, categorize your expenses, record your transactions, reconcile your accounts, generate reports, and set aside money for taxes. Using the software we're recommending can save you time and keep you organized. And again, the exclusive free trial is in the description below. Key takeaway: you don't need to hire a CPA to do your monthly bookkeeping. With the right tools and a little organization, you can handle it all yourself. Remember to grab your exclusive free trial link below if you want to follow along with the software we're using. Keep it simple, stay organized, and you've got this. Don't forget to grab your free trial of the software we used in this tutorial and take advantage of the exclusive offer in the description. See you in the next video.